Hey boys and girls, welcome back to our maths groups for week 2. I apologize today for not being able to do one of our maths Zoom chats. Unfortunately, I have a meeting with Mr. Santucci that I can't reschedule, so we're going to have to just do it through this little video first. What I thought we'd do this week is try to bring all of those fraction things together. So we've done adding fractions, subtracting fractions, multiplying fractions, and dividing fractions, and you seem to be going quite well in all of those. But I want to start bringing them together in the same question. So you have a combination of multiplying and adding in the same question. And this will require you to use BODMAS as well. Make sure you do brackets, division, multiplication. You know the drill. But I didn't want to just give you the question. So I wanted to kind of go back and just make sure that you got an idea and remember how to do adding fractions and stuff before we get there. Give you a few examples. So before you go, you should be okay. So if we take a question like this, remember, when we're adding and subtracting fractions, we need to make sure the denominators are the same. And then whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So when you find 5 and 4, you know that the common denominator here is 20, right? Now to get there, we times the bottom by 4 and this one by 5. So whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. And now that the denominators are the same, you can just plus across and it becomes 9 over 20, not 10, 9 over 20. All right. I wasn't going to go over too much. Let's try my strategy that Lara taught me. Oh, so clever. All right. So now we're going to start adding it together with other things. So let's say you had like 1/2 plus 1/3 take away 1/4. Okay. Now, the thing you're going to do with, because they're all, don't worry too much about if they're addition, subtraction, just get all the denominators the same. Okay, get all of them the same at first. So the common denominator between 2, 3, and 4 is 12. So to get them as 12, what we need to do is times that one by 6, that one by 4, and that one by 3. So then that becomes 6, 4, and 3. So now you can just plus those two across. So 6 plus 4 is 10 over 12. So that becomes 10 twelfths. Take away 3 twelfths. What am I writing? Equals 7 over 12, which cannot be simplified any further than that. So a couple of times, I'm getting used to it, Lara. I'm getting better. So the thing is, if you do addition and subtraction in the same question, get all the denominators the same first before you start, okay? Don't try and like catch yourself up and just get two of them together. Get all of them the same way, okay? But remember, with multiplication, it doesn't work like that. So if you remember with multiplication, you just times across. Why is this lagging so much? Lagging really quite a lot. I can't see what's on the screen, but I've already written stuff down here. Oh no, that's not good, is it? All right, let me stop sharing and then see if it can start again. Share, iPad. Hopefully that works. Okay, we're back. So remember, with multiplication, you don't have to do anything. You just times the top and then times the bottom. So you go 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. It's pretty basic, right? It's the easiest one out of all of them. But if it was division, which was from last week, you do keep, flip. So keep, change, flip. I so want to write KFC again. So you keep the first one, change it to multiplication, flip the 3 and 2 upside down. So it becomes 3 over 4. Now that's when they're all going to get put together, right? So if you had questions like this, it's not going to be too hard today, but tomorrow's lesson will be harder. Questions like that, okay? So you've got two questions there in brackets, and then you got to times the middle. So remember, with BODMAS, we solve the brackets first, and then we do the next parts afterward, and they're both the same. So as soon as we find out one of them, we'll be able to find out both of them. So the common denominator here is 6. So to get to over 6, we need to times that one by 3, and to get to there, we times that one by 2. So that one becomes 2 over 6, right? So 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6 is 5 over 6, and we know the other one is exactly the same. And now our new question is 5/6 times 5/6, which we just, with multiplication, we just times the top and times the bottom. So 5 times 5 is 25, and 6 times 6 is 36. Can that be simplified any further? My brain is hurting. No. The 25 over 36 is our final number, okay? So basically, BODMAS still applies. I'm not going to make it too hard today, but you might see a couple where it's like fractions where it's plus, plus, minus. Okay, I haven't done too many that are really too tricky, so don't worry too much about it today. But remember, if we are doing this, okay, you can do one of two things. You can make it into a mixed funeral. What is happening? Lockdown has hit me way too hard. Mixed fraction. Okay. You can do that and then make it so it's 3 over 2 plus 3 over 4. And then you got to find the common one, which means you got to times that one by 2. So it becomes 6 over 4 plus 3 over 4. The answer is 9 over 4. But then you've got to make sure you turn it back into an improper fraction, into a mixed fraction beforehand. So you've got to make it 2. Oops. My pen's gone. 2 and 1 over 4. Okay, like I said, make sure if you got addition, subtraction ones, you get the denominators the same. If you're using just multiplication, you don't need to worry about that, okay? The questions aren't too hard. I'll quickly show you now what they're gonna look like so we can make sure that you guys are all okay with them. So we've got like the first one, it's like plus, plus, minus. The next one's like minus and then a plus, plus, minus, a plus and a minus, a division one. Then they got 2 brackets ones, solve them, and then plus at the end, a times one, and then the bottom one's the only tough one today. The really only tough one. And then tomorrow's lesson, if you guys do well at this, tomorrow's lesson will be tougher, okay? I hope that's been okay. I'm sorry about any technical difficulties that I might have had. But yeah, good luck. Thank you.